It's not looking real. My background is river Ravi. रोम रोम दोस्तों, स्वेटर निकल गई है, ठंड हो गई है, पर अब तो हम नीचे आ गए हैं,
पर ठंडी बढ़ गई है. The breeze is cold.
यहाँ पे इतना ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशन.
Stunning. You have to come to see.
Now I will be driving. जम्मू कश्मीर में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. We are now in Kashmir.
अभी तो डलहौजी से.
अभी कहाँ जाए?
अभी भदरवा.
Our first stop in Kashmir, in the village of Loang. We have ordered Maggie.
Your plate Maggie has arrived.
And tea. first time experiencing snow. It's a bit difficult to breathe here because of the altitude. There is the car. We have taken a kind of a non-tourist route. We exited Himachal from the Chamera power station, crossed the river Ravi and entered Jammu Kashmir. For anyone who wants to come through this route, it is still being constructed. This part looks pretty good, but other than that it is still being constructed. This is our third checkpost, army checkpost. They ask you for your Aadhaar card, driving license and traveler details. Yesterday we started from Khajiar. We crossed Dalhousie, Bani Khet. From there we drove till the Chamera lake and finally the Chamera power station. Power generated by the dam which is built over the Ravi river. And the Ravi river separates the two states of Himachal and Kashmir. On the Himachal end of it there was a police checkpost of Himachal police. You have to get down from the car and do entry of car number, all travelers' Aadhaar cards, and where are you coming from and where are you going. There's a bridge made over the Ravi river, crossed over, and from the other side Jammu and Kashmir starts. There was no checkpost in the beginning, but it was a completely J&K police controlled area. The drive from Dalhousie till this Chamera power station was a beautiful road, like straight out of a movie. So I drove around 20-25 kilometers till we reached the checkpost of Himachal police and we crossed over to J&K. In the entry of J&K the road was fine, but as we started our climb, the roads were very bad. I mean, I won't say they were bad roads, there were no roads. 30-40 kilometers of just off-roading. It's good that we have a very powerful car that went on those roads, because other than us there were just army jeeps going on that route. This route is still being built, so it has hope for the future. Not undoable, but if anyone is planning to take this route, you first of all need a very powerful car, and second of all a very experienced driver. Like my dad, he is a very experienced driver. He has driven all over the country, all over the world. Of course it must have been stressful for him, but we didn't get stuck anywhere thanks to him. First it was like a rocky mountain, quite steep, and the road is full of like small stones, so the tires were also screeching 2-3 times, but thankfully we made it safely till here. There are 3 army checkpoints. From a tourist point of view, it's just sad that we can't openly explore this state. The drive from the first army checkpoint till here was heavenly. There was nobody in front of us, nobody behind us, only few army jeeps going. On my left side, the endless valley, beautiful lush green, and on my right side were snow-capped mountains. Today is day 6 of this trip, and that drive from the first army checkpoint till Sas Valley was the best part of the trip till now. It was amazing. The last army checkpoint was in a place called Chattar Gala Pass. that was the place where there was not too much snow, but as we were driving in the border of the roads, there was snow. I played in the snow. It was so cold. When I was making my vlog, I was having problem in breathing also. It's so worth it, so worth it. After that beautiful drive, we finally reached our destination for the night, which is the Saz Valley Resort. We checked in, had some drinks, we had some snacks, and then we went on for our dinner. So we had our dinner, then we played some cards, and then it was time to call it a night and wrap up day 5. The final destination of this trip is going to be Srinagar. From here, last night only I was checking, Srinagar is still around 250 kilometers away from here. 3 दिन लगेंगे अभी हमें, और जैसे ये हमारा कश्मीर का फर्स्ट स्टॉप था, अभी 2 और स्टॉप लेके फिर हम श्रीनगर पहुंचेंगे. वन थिंग आई वांट टू टेल दैट सिंस वी हैव ड्रिवन फ्रॉम हिमाचल टू कश्मीर, आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड द चेंज इन द टेरेन. अगर आपको माउंटेन्स में रहना है तो आप हिमाचल जाओ, पर अगर आपको माउंटेन्स की ब्यूटी देखनी है तो कश्मीर है. सिंस वी हैव एंटर्ड कश्मीर, देयर हैज बीन अ सडन चेंज इन द टेरेन. हिमाचल के पहाड़ और कश्मीर के पहाड़ों में जमीन आसमान का अंतर है. आई कांट एक्सप्लेन इन वर्ड्स. माई हिमाचल पार्ट ऑफ द माई व्लॉग एंड माई कश्मीर पार्ट ऑफ द व्लॉग, you can yourself notice that there is a marked difference between the two. So yeah, as we will move further ahead, let's see how the terrain keeps changing. Bye.